Howdy, James here from Kicks of Maryland. Yes, I have finally moved out of Miami up to the state of Maryland, where I'll be continuing my sneaker ventures in a slightly more quiet, suburban, I guess, countryside lifestyle. However, I'm going to continue bringing you reviews, on-foot shots of different sneakers, and to kick it off with, I got my hands on a pair of the Kobe 4 Protos, the Draft Pack, which I thought was really exciting. So I'm going to be opening that box now in front of you. It is one of those kind of blind pairs where you don't know which pair you're getting, which I think is super cool. So let me get the box out. We'll take a look at them and we'll see what you think. Okay, so as you can see, the Kobe 4 Draft Pack comes in your regular kind of Kobe box. Nothing really different there compared to your other Kobe's. So the Kobe Draft Pack essentially was kind of this idea where Kobe back in 1996, when the year that he did get drafted, which is now what, 30 years ago, essentially 13 different teams passed him kind of in the draft before he got to Lakers. Some of the other teams actually drafted him, then traded him, and he ended up being in the Lakers, which was essentially his kind of 14th team. So this pack consisted of 14 shoes in total. 13 of them were white, and then have kind of like a rubbing off material, which I think is like one of the coolest things that Nike have done. They did it with some of their SBs. They recently did it with just a pair of Jordans. I think just this idea of having a certain color, and then as time goes on, either people wear it off with kind of acetone, or just wearing it as a regular day-to-day shoe kind of takes it and makes it your own. I think it's the coolest idea, concept, and I'm kind of excited that they've done it on a basketball shoe. So with this blind packaging, as you're going to see when I open the box, it comes in like a gold sealed bag, and you have no idea which one you get. They're all white based, and then different parts of the shoe, kind of like the swoosh, and then the underlying color is a color that represents the team that passed Kobe up in the draft. So I don't know which I have. I'm probably not going to actually know. My ball knowledge isn't the greatest, so I'll have to try and figure out which pair I have. You guys might be able to help me. We're looking at the video. So as you can see, as I open the box, it comes in this gold sealed foil bag. So again, you don't know which pair you're getting. Some people said you could use like a light to kind of shine through the foil to see it. Nothing on the back really tells you which it is. I guess actually the only cool thing is that you get this Kobe draft symbol, and it kind of tells you the different ones. So Philadelphia, Toronto, Memphis, Milwaukee, Minnesota, Boston, Los Angeles, Clippers it was then, New Jersey, Dallas, Indiana, Golden State, Cleveland, Charlotte, and then the LA Lakers. And it also tells you the percentage of each, which I think is kind of cool. So they range from 4%, which was the rarest, which is the Lakers one, which kind of isn't the white pair, all the way up to kind of 8%. So they vary between 8, 6%, 6.5%. So again, not too sure which one we're going to get. And it says 1 of 14 possibility shoes, with 13 being the wear away. So I'm going to unseal this now, and we will see which we get. So they're white, so that's a good start, because actually was hoping to get a wear away pair and not get the Lakers colorway, because like I said, I do like the wear away concept. Okay, so I might need to grab the foil out again to see which pair I get. So this is, so what they've actually told me, I saw, was that they put the draft number. So this is number 10. So I'm going to grab the foil again. You guys listening might know which number 10 is. I don't, like I said. So number 10, I don't think it's in this order, actually. So as a yellow swoosh. So I'm going to say, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm thinking this could be Indiana or Golden State. So again, there's nothing on the shoe that necessarily says which one it is, but I'm counting down the numbers, so it could be, so there it says 10, 1996 draft. 13. I think that was his number in the end. So yeah, so I'm thinking it could be Indiana. Judging by the golden swoosh. Obviously, I don't know what color comes underneath it. So that's what I'm going to go with. And what I also think is because it comes with this dark blue, I'm going to put this foil away because it's super loud. And just keep the shoe out. Okay. So as it has this dark bluish black lace to it, which was the color that the Indiana one had, as opposed to the Golden State Warriors one, I'm going to go with Indiana, which is kind of cool. As those of you who've been following my kind of channel now in a while, I am originally from Sweden, so kind of a yellow bluish colorway always hits home well. But again, super excited kind of to see them. I'm going to wear these as kind of, I'm not going to say a day-to-day pair because I don't want to ruin them, but I'm going to wear them to kind of have them wear down eventually. So small little features, obviously the Kobe 4 Proto, I think one of the nicer looking silhouettes for like a regular daily shoe. Comes obviously with your Kobe logo, comes with 13 Kobe Bryant on one side and then 1996 draft on the tongue of the other, and then you obviously get the two numbers that kind of made him who he is today with the 8 and the 24 on the back of the shoe. So I will take some closer photos of the shoe itself. Those of you in the comment section, if you could maybe confirm with me that I do have the Indiana one. It says number 10 in the inside of the shoe, and judging by the colors, but the Golden State one also came with a yellow swoosh, so I might be a little confused. But yeah, again, thank you for tuning in. First review up here in Maryland. So please subscribe, share, follow, tell your friends that Kicks of Maryland is now back, formerly Kicks of Miami. And as you can see, I have my own dedicated room now, so hopefully doing some more reviews. And if anybody else has any kind of suggestions in terms of podcast features, just regular conversations, please feel free to reach out. I'll be interested in that stuff. So again, hit that subscribe button. Follow me along on Instagram as well as Kicks of Maryland. And I'll be back again with another review.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.